Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I wanted to do like an update for my 2-year mark. It's been a little over 2 years that I have been locked. So I want to kind of compare then how I started to now. And I'll show some video and pictures of that and just tell you what's going on in this second year. There we have coconut. That is taro. That's a rare sighting. Taro is rarely out. But that's taro back there. You'll see all 3 cats milling around. But anywho, let's get to it. Hopefully if I got my act together, I'm going to have a picture-in-picture or video-in-video. So as I'm talking about now and comparing, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So I started off, if you're new here, first off, welcome. If you're not new here and you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you so much and welcome to you as well. So I started off with a very short taper cut. So short in the back and sides, obviously, that it was very difficult to even get those locks started. So I probably should have waited, y'all, but I didn't. So you can see my kind of progress. I'll show the back part and hopefully my little video is showing here of my progress. Now, mind you, my hair is not freshly retwisted or anything, so, you know, good luck to what it looks like back here. So my, I had like, you know, you'll see how it was back here, but I'm super duper, not surprised, but I guess I'm pleased with the amount of growth I've had back here. And like, wow, when I look back, you know, what we're working with now. And one of my things was, of course, I could not, you know, get myself a full ponytail or full updo. And when I started doing updos, and I'll post on here, I'll put a link to my shorter lock hairstyles I was wearing. Those back ones, there was just no luck of those back ones getting in. But now they're, you know, getting in there. They do kind of still pop out. And I will take them out because the back of my head and like my whole head is quite sensitive. So I don't like things pulling on it. So, you know, they get in there now though. For an updo, this little guy wants to pop out. But of course I can just wrap him in. And then what I'm supposed to be doing right now is moisturizing my hair before I go out for my hike. So I should be doing that while I'm talking. I should also do a lot of my, when I, you know, first was locked, I would wear my hair up like this in the front, like 2 little things, because I couldn't get 2 ponytails, so I would wear my hair, I noticed in pictures or videos, a lot like that. And then when I could, I started wearing 2 ponytails. So I should probably put that in 2 ponytails right now. I don't have another hair thing. I'll grab another hair thing and I'll do 2 ponytails and compare as well. But while I moisturize, I just want to kind of talk about, you know, what's different now versus then. All those things are length things, just, you know, growing out kind of things. And of course, as your hair is growing, whether you have locks or not, it will be like, oh, now you can wear a ponytail. Oh, now I have to put my hair up in the shower because otherwise, if I'm not washing it, it will get super wet in the back. Oh, now the small rubber band I used to wear now doesn't work. You know, hair's too thick, too long kind of thing. So all those are just regular, comes with the territory of growing your hair out things, not really about locks. So as far as the lock side go, of what's different then to now is, of course, when I started my locks myself, and I did 2-strand twists. And when I first did that, because of the short length of the sides and the back, they would unravel quickly. So, you know, as I got into the locks, as I got not just the length, but them locking upon themselves, that became not such a big issue. Good morning, Cody. My daughter just came downstairs. That became not such a big issue. So as your hair starts locking together, it will stay together. And you don't have to worry about those smaller ones, or ones maybe that, because your hair is a different type in that area, more finer, or what have it be, that it will unravel. So that's a huge difference. I mean, now that I'm into the second year, you know, who worries about any kind of unraveling or anything? And also my hair, and I know people are different on this. Sometimes it doesn't have to do with how long you've been locked, but just, again, how your hair grows. My hair pretty much grows into its own lock. Now, if I leave it for a while and that whole bit, I'll have trouble with it marrying, but it pretty much grows into its own thing. What am I doing? I'm trying to get a good look here. It pretty much grows into its own thing, which is nice. And again, in this, let's see, I can have a little back ponytail too, y'all. Look at that. So that's nice. As your months are going by, that's something. Oh, I got raspy. That's something to look forward to as well, is that, you know, you won't have to worry so much about marrying locks. Again, hair type matters on that. So those are the two main things as far as locks go that are, you know, as time passes, that I've seen difference. I have seen, let me say this. I have seen that, because I do not retwist down my whole lock. I only retwist my roots. I do not palm roll. I do not do anything that will make my locks too uniform or too, I'm not going for like a perfect look on my locks. I don't care about fuzziness. I don't care about all those types of things. I actually like the opposite. I like big hair. I like wild hair. So for me, just the maturity of my locks now, they are, you know, more, I would say, together, not so frizzy. Still, I have frizz and stuff. That's just the way it is, because I don't do those things, like I said. But I've seen more like uniformity and just, you know, more together looking, which for me, I was like, because I don't want to lose that altogether. So I don't think that'll be a total problem. But, you know, depending on what look you're going for, maybe you want that. So in your second year, you're like, oh, you know, I finally don't have to do as much maintenance to keep my things together, like your palm rolling and stuff. But like I said, I've never done that. So that's another thing as well. And I can't really think of anything else. As I was thinking before I was doing this video, those were the only, you know, huge differences. Everything else has to do with length and not locks so much. So let me get my two ponytails together. Cody, do you have a hairband for me? I'll be right back. I'm going to stop, grab my hairband so I can give myself two ponytails, and then I can compare that video in video as well. Okay, so I have my two hairbands and I'm fully moisturized. You guys saw, like, I really went in on these because I was feeling a little more drier than I wanted to. So I figured really saturate and get that oil in there instead of just a quick, you know. So I really went in there. And now they're feeling real good. Okay, so if you are locked, please let me know down below how long it's been. You have all been sharing your stories and your regimens and things, and I'm really loving that. It's so interesting to hear what other people are doing and how it's going for you. So let me know how long it's been for you, or maybe you're thinking about it. You haven't even done it yet. Let me know that. If you are not locked, I would love to know how you're doing. And everyone, I hope you are having a great week or weekend whenever you're watching this. Ooh, look at that, y'all. I haven't this was like my go-to, like I said. And I haven't really even worn this, huh, Cody? Nope. Remember I used to wear 2 ponytails all the time? Yeah. I would sleep in them, wake up, still 2 ponytails. It was just an easy thing and way to keep my hairs out of my face here when, you know, this front part, because of that taper cut, has always been growing more than the back portion. Not more, but, you know, it was longer. Oh, I lost one of my guys. I can hear it fell off. My shell fell off. So, here I am. You know, y'all, I'm wondering, this side be seeming a little bit longer than this side. Every time I'm doing something with my hair, I kind of slightly notice. That one side is longer than that. My daughter says that she likes it like that. So I don't know, not something, you know, I'm not gonna care too much. But what do y'all think? Anywho, so here I am. Here's my ponies. My little ponies. And that's it. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Go on my little hike / run. You have anything to say? Me and Cody, you want to say something? You're so silly.
No, I'm awkward.
All right. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in another few days. All right. Bye.
Bye.